Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the Epic Games Launcher error code 504. And to get started, the first thing you guys can do is simply go to Epic Games Launcher, and before running it, what you're going to do is right click on it. You're going to go to Properties, you're going to go to the Compatibility tab, you're going to make sure the Run This Program as an Administrator box is checked, and you're also going to check the Run This Program in Compatibility mode for Windows 8. Now once both of these are checked, you can hit Apply, and then you can hit OK. And once this is done, you can try to open up Epic Games Launcher this way. If this method does not work, the second method you guys can do is go to the Windows icon, and you're going to type in Settings in the search bar. Now once Settings is open, you're going to go to Network and Internet, you're going to go to Advanced Network Settings, and you're going to go to Network Reset. And then from here, you're going to click on Reset Now, and then you're going to click Yes. And then once that is whatever happening, you can always restart your PC as well, and to try to see if that fixed the error code. And once you do all of these things, hopefully the error code should be fixed. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.